Hello, everyone. Welcome to Rising Voice English. Today, we will practice workplace communication. We will use short, clear dialogues between workers and managers. Section 1. Greetings and Introductions. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
That's good. Let's start the day.
Hello, I am new here.
Welcome. I'm glad you joined us.
Thank you. I hope to learn quickly.
Don't worry. We will guide you.
Good afternoon, boss.
Good afternoon. How is your work going?
It is fine, but I need more practice.
Practice will make you better.
Hi, may I introduce myself?
Of course. Please go ahead.
My name is Daniel. I joined yesterday.
Nice to meet you, Daniel.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Are you leaving now?
Yes, I finished my tasks.
Well done. See you tomorrow.
Section 2. Asking for help. Excuse me, can you show me how to use this machine?
Of course. First, press the green button.
Okay, then what should I do?
After that, place the material inside carefully.
I don't understand this task.
No problem. I will explain again.
That would help me a lot.
Listen carefully, then try it yourself.
Can you help me carry these boxes?
Sure. Let's move them together.
Thank you. They are heavy.
Teamwork makes it easier.
I need help with the computer.
What is the problem?
It doesn't open the file.
I will check the settings for you.
Could you explain this report format?
Yes, it has 3 parts: summary, details, and conclusion.
Should I write in short sentences?
Yes, keep it simple and clear.
Section 3. Communication in meetings. Can I ask questions during the meeting?
Yes, questions are welcome.
That will help me understand better.
Good. Always ask if unsure. Please attend the meeting today.
What time does it start?
At 3 p.m. sharp.
I will be there. Can I join the meeting online?
Yes, use the video link.
Thank you, that is easier.
Make sure your microphone works.
The meeting will be long.
How many hours? About 2 hours.
I will stay focused. What is the meeting about?
It is about the new project.
Should I bring the report?
Yes, bring it with you.
Section 4. Problem solving. The computer is not working.
Did you check if it has power?
Yes, but it still doesn't start.
Okay, I will call the technician.
We don't have enough materials.
How many are missing?
About 10 pieces.
I will order more today.
The light in the office is broken.
Thank you for telling me.
It is very dark inside.
I will ask maintenance to fix it.
The internet is very slow.
Did you restart the computer?
Yes, but it is still slow.
I will report it to IT.
The machine makes a strange noise.
Stop using it for now.
Okay, I will wait.
I will check it with the engineer.
Section 5. Asking for permission. Can I leave early today?
Why do you need to leave early?
I have a doctor's appointment.
All right, you may go after finishing your task.
May I use the meeting room?
What do you need it for?
I want to practice my presentation.
Okay, you can use it for 1 hour.
Can I take a short break?
Yes, but come back in 10 minutes.
Thank you. I will be quick.
Good. Enjoy your break.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, but return it later.
Of course. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I work from home tomorrow?
Why do you want to work from home?
I need to take care of my child.
Okay, but send me your progress online. This project must be finished by Friday.
Section 6. Deadlines and time. That is only 2 days.
Yes, so we need to work quickly.
I will do my best to complete it.
This report must be submitted by 5 p.m.
Can I have 1 more hour?
No, the client needs it today.
All right, I will finish on time.
The deadline is tomorrow morning.
That is very soon.
Yes, but we can manage if we focus.
I will stay late to finish.
We must send the order today.
Is everything ready?
Not yet. Please Please check the list.
Okay, I will check now.
The meeting starts at 9 a.m. sharp.
Should I prepare the documents?
Yes, prepare them before 8:30.
I will be ready. Section 7. Praise and corrections.
You did a great job on the report.
Thank you. I worked hard on it.
I can see that. Keep up the good work.
I will continue to improve.
This part of the report is not correct.
Oh, I see. What should I change?
Please check the numbers again.
Okay, I will correct them now.
Your presentation was clear and simple.
Thank you. I practiced many times.
It was worth it. Good job.
I appreciate your feedback.
You forgot to sign the document.
Sorry, I will sign it now.
Please be careful next time.
Yes, I will check more carefully.
Excellent teamwork today.
Thank you. Everyone helped each other.
That's the spirit we need.
I will continue to support my team. Section 8. Safety and tools.
Always wear your helmet in the factory.
Yes, I will wear it every time.
Safety is very important.
I understand. Thank you for reminding me.
Do not touch the wires.
Why not?
They can be dangerous.
Okay, I will stay away.
Can I borrow a hammer?
Yes, but return it after use.
Of course, I will bring it back.
Good. Thank you.
I need gloves for this work.
Yes, gloves are in the cabinet.
Thank you. I will use them.
Safety first.
The floor is wet.
Please put a warning sign.
Okay, I will do it now.
Good. That will prevent accidents.
The ladder is broken.
Do not use it.
Should I get another one?
Yes, use the safe ladder instead. My gloves are torn.
Please take a new pair.
Where can I find them?
In the storage room.
The fire alarm is ringing.
Everyone must leave the building.
Should we wait outside?
Yes, wait until it is safe.
I spilled water on the floor.
Please clean it quickly.
I will mop it now.
Good. Accidents can happen if it stays wet.
The box is too heavy.
Don't lift it alone.
Can someone help me?
Yes, ask a coworker to assist.
Section 9. Breaks and scheduling. Can I take lunch now?
Yes, but be back in 30 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
When is the meeting?
At 2 p.m. today.
Should I bring the report?
Yes, bring it with you.
Do we have a break in the afternoon?
Yes, at 3 p.m.
How long is the break?
15 minutes.
Can we change the meeting time?
Why do you want to change it?
I have another appointment.
Okay, let's move it to 4 p.m.
Is tomorrow a holiday?
No, tomorrow is a work day.
Okay, I will come as usual.
Yes, see you then.
Section 10. Pay and hours. When will we get paid?
On Friday.
Will it be in cash?
No, it will be in the bank.
Can I work extra hours?
Yes, but tell me first.
How many hours can I add?
2 hours maximum.
Do we get paid for overtime?
Yes, overtime has extra pay.
That is good.
Work carefully, not just quickly.
How many hours do we work each day?
8 hours.
Do we get a break?
Yes, 1 hour for lunch.
Can I change my shift?
Which shift do you want?
The morning shift.
Okay, I will check the schedule.
Section 11. Feedback and training.
Your work is improving.
Thank you. I am learning.
Keep practicing every day.
I will do that. Can I get training on this machine?
Yes, training is next week.
That will help me.
You will learn step by step. Your handwriting is not clear.
Sorry, I will write better.
Please use block letters.
Okay, I will change it. Can you give me feedback?
Yes, your report is good, but too long.
Should I make it shorter?
Yes, keep it simple. You need more practice with English.
Yes, I want to improve.
Try speaking every day.
I will practice with my friends. Section 12. Rules and policies.
Eating is not allowed in the office.
Okay, I will eat in the cafeteria.
Thank you for following the rule.
I understand. Can I use my phone at work?
Only during breaks.
Okay, I will keep it away.
Good. Focus on your tasks. Smoking is not allowed here.
Where can I smoke?
Outside, in the smoking area.
Okay, I will go there.
What is the dress code?
Wear clean and simple clothes. Can I wear jeans?
Yes, but no torn jeans. Always be on time.
Yes, I will come early.
Punctuality is important.
I agree. Section 13. Customers and complaints. A customer is waiting.
Please serve them quickly.
Should I offer water?
Yes, that is polite.
The customer is unhappy.
What is the problem?
The product is broken.
Replace it immediately. Always smile at customers.
Yes, I will be friendly.
Good, they will feel welcome.
I understand. The customer asked for a discount.
We cannot give discounts today.
Should I explain politely?
Yes, explain clearly.
The customer is angry.
Stay calm and listen.
Should I call you?
Yes, if it gets serious.
Work together with your team.
Yes, teamwork is important.
Help each other when needed.
I will do that.
Can I lead the team?
Do you feel ready?
Yes, I want to try.
Okay, I will give you a chance. You may get a promotion soon.
Really? That is exciting.
Keep working hard.
I will do my best. How can I get promoted?
Show good results and discipline.
I will focus on that.
Good attitude.
Teamwork makes us stronger.
Yes, I enjoy working with others.
Keep supporting your colleagues.
I will continue.
Section 14. Teamwork and promotion. A customer is waiting.
Please serve them quickly.
Should I offer water?
Yes, that is polite.
The customer is unhappy.
What is the problem?
The product is broken.
Replace it immediately.
Always smile at customers.
Yes, I will be friendly.
Good. They will feel welcome.
I understand.
The customer asked for a discount.
We cannot give discounts today.
Should I explain politely?
Yes, explain clearly.
The customer is angry.
Stay calm and listen.
Should I call you?
Yes, if it gets serious.
Section 14. Teamwork and promotion.
Work together with your team.
Yes, teamwork is important.
Help each other when needed.
I will do that. Can I lead the team?
Do you feel ready?
Yes, I want to try.
Okay, I will give you a chance.
You may get a promotion soon.
Really? That is exciting.
Keep working hard.
I will do my best.
How can I get promoted?
Show good results and discipline.
I will focus on that.
Good attitude.
Teamwork makes us stronger.
Yes, I enjoy working with others.
Keep supporting your colleagues.
I will continue.
Do we work on Sunday?
No, Sunday is a holiday.
That is good.
Rest well.
Can I take a holiday next week?
How many days?
2 days.
Okay, I will approve it. We need overtime today.
How many hours?
3 hours.
Okay, I will stay. Do we get holiday pay?
Yes, holidays are paid.
That is helpful.
Yes, enjoy your holiday.
Can I work on Saturday?
Yes, but it is overtime.
Will I get extra pay?
Yes, you will. The computer is slow.
I tried, but it is still slow.
I will call IT.
My chair is broken.
Please use another chair.
Okay, I will change it.
I will order a new one.
I feel sick.
You should rest.
Can I go home?
Yes, take care of yourself.
My eyes hurt from the screen.
Take a short break.
Thank you, I will rest.
Health is important.
The air conditioner is not working.
I will call maintenance.
It is very hot inside.
Yes, we must fix it. This project is very important.
Yes, I will focus on it.
We must finish in 2 weeks.
I will work hard. What is the goal of this project?
To improve customer service.
That is a good goal.
Yes, we must all help.
How can we reach the goal?
By working together and staying focused.
Should we meet every day?
Yes, short meetings will help. Our goal is higher sales.
How can I help?
Talk politely to customers.
I will do that. What is the company's vision?
To provide the best service.
That is inspiring.
Yes, we must all work for it. Section 18. Performance reviews. Your performance is good.
Thank you. I try my best.
Keep improving every week.
I will continue learning. How can I improve my performance?
Be more careful with details.
I will check my work twice.
That will help a lot. Communication is important.
Yes, I will speak clearly.
Also, listen carefully.
I will do both. Can I ask questions during meetings?
Yes, questions are welcome.
That will help me understand.
Good. Always ask if unsure. Please share your ideas.
I have a suggestion.
Go ahead, tell me.
We can save time with a checklist.
Section 19. Future plans.
What are our plans for next month?
We will start a new project.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, it will be challenging. We plan to expand the office.
Will we get more space?
Yes, for meetings and training.
That will be helpful. Do we plan to hire more staff?
Yes, in the next 2 months.
That will reduce our workload.
Exactly. Teamwork will be easier. We want to improve customer service
How can we do that?
by listening carefully to customers.
I will practice that skill. What is the long-term plan?
To grow and become stronger.
I am happy to be part of it.
Together, we will succeed. Thank you for today's practice.
You did very well.
I feel more confident now.
Confidence grows with practice.
I will keep learning every day.
Excellent. Keep speaking, keep improving.
This is the end of today's lesson. If you enjoyed this practice, subscribe to Rising Voice English. Stay with us and join the next episode. Your voice matters. Your progress matters. Keep speaking, keep growing, keep rising with Rising Voice English.